As we discussed in the last lesson, we are learning about verbals. Verbals are action verbs that do not function as verbs. And we talked about the three different types there were: participles, gerunds, and infinitives. So in this lesson, let's first learn about participles. What are they? Basically, a participle is a form of the verb that acts as an adjective. Well, you need to know what an adjective is. An adjective describes a noun in a sentence. But watch out, there are two kinds of participles. There's present participle, which are formed by adding ing to a verb, and there are past participles, which are usually formed by adding ed to a verb. Participles are sneaky though. These words look just like verbs. See the examples on the next page. A present participle. The present participle is often referred to as the ing form of a verb. But remember, it has to act as an adjective because there is another word that ends in ing that does not act as an adjective and is not a participle. So the sun was shining, so I went for a walk. Shining is describing the sun. The man speaking English is our teacher. Speaking is describing the man who's speaking English. That's how we know this man, the one speaking English. Present participles end in ing. Examples: boiling water. Boiling describes water. Caring nature. Caring describes the noun nature. Deserving recipient. Deserving describes the word recipient. Normally these words would be nouns or verbs if you didn't have ing. Boil, that would be a verb. But now that we made boiling water, it's a participle that's present to describe water. Some more examples of present participles. Shaded, right here. A laughing man is stronger than a suffering man. So laughing, laugh is usually a verb, but we added ing. Now it describes the man, so it's an adjective. It's a present participle. Same with suffering. If you pick up a starving dog and make him prosperous, he will not bite you. Starving is a participle. It's a verb ending in ing that describes dog, so it acts as an adjective. Past participles usually end in ed, d, t, en, or n, like the broken window. Broken is describing window. So because we took the verb broke and added en, it's now an adjective, which is a past participle describing window. Painted frame, we added an ed to the verb paint, and it describes frame. So basically, anything that looks like a verb but describes a noun that doesn't end in ing is a past participle. If it ends in ing, it's present. So what are participles? A participle is a word formed from a verb which can be used as an adjective. The two types of participles are the present participle ending in ing and the past participle usually ending in ed, d, t, en, or n. Now you try. Try to find the present or past participles.